Alright, it is Sunday, June 8th. We are on our way to Nampa Bowl right now. Yesterday we bowled 5 games on a 46-foot pattern and 5 games on a 36-foot pattern here at the Idaho Junior Masters. There was 23 bowlers in the scratch field, very competitive, a lot of good bowlers. Top 8 advanced to Sunday. I qualified in 3rd. The patterns were super tough. Long wasn't as bad. We managed to transition it decently. And if I bumped left, I was able to shoot well. Finished plus 85 on long to be tied for 4th. And then came along short. I went minus 60 shooting a 242 in game 5. And I moved up on the leaderboard actually into 3rd. Today, we are bowling 8 games on Red Square, 8 games of match play, so there will be 30 bonus pins if you beat your opponent, so that'll be huge. We're bowling on a 1-to-1 40-foot pattern. It's going to be very tough, maybe even harder than the short. I would assume it would be. So scores are going to be low unless we can find a way to shape the lanes a little bit. But spares are going to be huge today, and the goal is...
Yeah, just gotta be patient, just wait. Just gotta keep it closed from here. Add a little bit of speed on that one, got my feet going a little faster. It helps with the carry on my strike shot on the left. It definitely helped. I was closer, even if I did pull it just a hair inside of that track, but that speed did help me stay a little closer and get the carry for at least 9 of them. So just got to execute a little better, but I mean it's hard on this. So spares, I got to keep making spares.
After the 8 games, it cuts the top 3 for a stepladder, where each match against an opponent is 2-game total pinfall, like match play at Junior Gold. So the idea is stay in top 3 today, make a lot of my spares to keep myself up there, win some matches, get the bonus pins. Shoot 180 to 190 every game, or above, obviously, so that those bonus pins can help keep me going up. I believe I'm sitting about plus 27 right now or so in 3rd, so we've got 8 games coming up.
Please just give it to me, man. missed. No, I didn't. Thank you. I'll board right and it just... I might try my attention star. That ball is just, it's not holding like I need it to. It's not pushing down the lane. My bad, man. There was potential in that first shot. I just had bump left, anticipating it jumping, and then it didn't. I'm fine with keeping it right. And then that last shot I just missed it and go Brooklyn, but yeah, I kind of feel bad. I mean, tripped like a 2-7 and then run Brooklyn. But I need all the pins I could get right now. Like see, attention star is just too inconsistent, I think. More inside rather than out, so I just decided to bump in and try it for a shot. It looked pretty controllable, so. There it is. All right, I'm fine with that. I'm throwing it way better. You know, stone 8, so be it, but well, I'm real comfortable right here. Yeah, I'm just popping up, trying to force it, I think. Please carry. Dang it, dude. Like, I cannot hit this head pin to save my life. Lo and behold, if you don't tug it 18 boards, maybe you'll hit the head pin. So frustrating. Oh, yeah, but I hit. Where's mine? Why can't I get them? Okay. Yeah, wow. Wow, I finally got one. Who would have thought? Once it's already over. Wow.